Join me while I detail one of Paul Cowland's many cars.
Okay, let's get it outside, washed and ready for polishing. We're going to start off by doing the wheels, clean inside the arches, the wheels, the tyres, all gets done and pre-wash now before the contact wash. Getting in all the nooks and crannies, rubbers, cleaning all those out from years of grime. Decontamination stage now, fallout remover, clay barring, getting rid of all of that contamination that's stuck on over the years. Final rinse down, get inside, dry it off, also there to blow out all the gaps, and then moving on to some polishing. Test spot complete. Look at this 50-50 before and after. What a difference. Much improved. Doing some little bits around the badges or the intricate parts. Just about to lay down the ceramic coating. Moving on to the inside. Ugh, look at the state of those seats. Horrible. Clean the plastics, clean the vents. 50-50 of the clean seats. Oh, what a difference. Look at that. Back of the driver's seat. Again, massive difference. Clean the foot pedals and the mat on the floor. Dusting all the instruments. Moving on to dressing the tyres. Clean all the internal glass. And here we are outside for the final inspection, and what a massive improvement. Today we've carried out a full decontamination wash, stage 2 machine polish, ceramic coating and internal detail. Look at that, much fresher now. Thanks for watching guys, see you on the next one.